Hey y'all. So I'm trying a new thing. I've bought this carbon fiber 30-foot extendable pole from a company called Dobbin. It feels really nice, and you can see it's really long. And I've got two goals. One is be able to clean out some gutters without having to get up high and do it quickly, and two, being able to hook into my ridge anchor from the gutter. So this is the attachment that'll go on the end of the pole, and I'm going to use it to just sweep out sticks that accumulate in the gutters we use. You know, no sticks go down gutters. So this will be fun to try. And yeah, 30 feet is a long way. So I also bought the Super Clip Rescue Clip, and this is designed for taking a carabiner, and this will hold this carabiner, and use this piece from Petzl as well with another rope. And what I'm going to be able to do, and I tested it in another spot, is I can hook the AMD carabiner in remotely from 30 feet away. So my next level is going to be, I'll get a device or find a way to hold the rope, thread the rope through the anchor, pinch the rope, and bring the rope back down, so I never even have to get to my anchor point. Ultimately, I think that's where we're going, but this is fantastic. And I'll have to look up where I got this, but it looks like it's going to be pretty good with this pole. I like it a lot. Y'all take care.